you know what they done, you know, the man, you know, the one, you know. Right now, me are
Shadi Mori TV.
Shadi Mori TV, and we say check him out for all your news, your views, your reviews, and everything you need to know. You see me?
On YouTube, you know. Come in, say YouTube, that YouTube, and such YouTube. Yo.
Yeah. Shadi Mori, I'm your biggest fan.
Ricky Chopper said that.
It's exploded right now.
You know it's your boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. Wagwan people. Hope everybody have a good Thanksgiving. Anybody will participate in the Thanksgiving thing, uno bless up on yourself and eat enough turkey. Anyway, today we are going to talk about some music. We are going to talk about some upcoming artists. We are going to talk about some artists we established already and come like say them want to go in a feud. You know, say a Beanie Man and Elephant Man me attack this so. But before we go in at the review, remember, say you to watch out the entire review to see if I hear a comment, me I go shout out at the end. You know what I mean? So the first song we want to talk about is from IKEA, Sexy Badness. And me are telling you people that one is sexy and bad in a one. I never know say a song can be both sexy and bad.
No long talking, sexy badness. Well, if you this my mother, me have a link with a link with the bus off you with like mosquito. This the link, then the link of link you when me know a top Peter.
So basically, it's a gunman song on a sexy rhythm with a sexy voice, female sing it. Yo, it bad in both ways. Because the song can play in the dance, in the party, but it still can play in the bedroom and still give you good vibes. I'm not telling you no lie. IKEA, you find that one. From me hear the song, the moment me hear that song, I say no, I have to make me subscriber them know about that song. Because you see, IKEA is a girl let me rate from a taller time. You see me? I remember say IKEA did say 16 and him about 16. I say go that long time tune from about 08 or what, 10 something like that. I don't remember. But yeah, that was one of my favorite IKEA, and a long time I said that girl is bad. She have the voice, you see me, and she's a good songwriter. But what shocked me never know say she bad pan gun song like that. Me never know say she know how to fuse a bad man song and fuse it in a sexy rhythm. You see me, and just call it sexy badness. Me I tell you now, here's some little more right here.
We send a bad girl for you think a pussy you get, then you just get fucked. Tongue ring in her mouth, you think I head you a coquette, are you with a gay bus? At the wrong set of girl, you got this boy. When me aim for revenge, me no miss boy. What you know about this? Sexy badness.
So people, a link will be provided in the description for Sexy Badness. And remember, IKEA sing it, so big up yourself, IKEA. So next song what we are going to talk about is ZK. The man make a song, a big up all vloggers. And we have to talk about that song here because remember, you know, you see, any them did make a song a beat the vlogger them. Any them did make a song a kill we are going to talk about it and we are going to burn them out. So why if a man make a song and a big up all vloggers, me enough to come on my platform and talk about it? Me like that song, you see me, and me going to play it for now, here and now.
Well, me have to show my respect to rapper kappa, cause I him bust me tune make them get so hotter. Me step out pan them and say no sympathy, no the whole world a show CK. No hype man a look at us the truth in your star. It hard to get a bus in a this a dance hall. Me never get the highlight to me link same a rhyme, send me go road in a star. No me have to big up, turn up to the dance hall. Do me never stop to them review me song. Him say the system they am up here to Kingston, and we have dance all around. But still me have to big up Shadi Mori TV, big up RTC. Shot the review for me. Would I be a bad mind boy for this none of the vlogger, especially Tef TV?
Add easy to the K. Big up yourself, brother. It's a good look, you see me. This song is on point, and not because the man big me up. If indeed big me up in it, me that personally tell him say, brother, a full song that. Try edit that over, vice it over, and take out my name out of it. But no, we not gonna do that because it's a bad song, you see me. And I really talk the man I make, you see me, because we all, I think the artists them understand, say, a vloggers, me not gonna say a vloggers are run with thing. We not gonna go on like say, yo, we are all almighty. Just like how me sure say the DJs them and the selector them don't go and like say them almighty. But we force ourselves in other industry and me feel like say, all a matter of fact, me know say we play a vital role. And I know enough of the artists them just a see it, you see me. And it good to see one artist can just see what go on and sight what go on and see say enough vlogger I get disrespect and enough of them artists are go on like say the vlog them narrate the vlogger. And the man can just forward out publicly and say, yo, you know what? Uno ever go on like so uno on these vloggers. Yo, big up all of the vloggers them and make actually a song. I big up all of the vloggers them. It's a good look. So all I'm co-worker them. The man called Terrodan, the man called Tef, the man say a portion. Practically every vlogger we know or listen to. The man called DMR, CMR, Soulflow. All of them. Uno big up on yourself, you know. And regardless. A one organization, well, nah, but say one organization, but a one industry, you see me. So anyway, make we hear a little more of ZK.
Virtual TV, video links walk one, big up this TV. If you do a soul flow and the man agree, the whole of we are one family. And me now look no friend, but the truth of it all. Me have to show respect to the Yeti boss. It's just a straightforward youth when talking, mind him no care, me tell you about your ass.
And ZK still have another song we miss have to talk about because in the drop the no sympathy one, you know. And then most of the people when they are talk about in that are mostly male. You see me? So now him drop the no sympathy too where him a bud out some female act in the business. Yo ZK, you know say a troublemaker. You know say I one big troublemaker. Anyhow, here one little part of it here.
Step no to Aishana. She say equal rights, girl, hold your corner. So me jump in a the car and golden cheddar. She tell me she want banana. I fuck angel, but only one thing. I'm no breast and ass, I see rusting. Lisa, I see them and load the bleaching. Catch she favor, I run the goat skin. When for red spice, she the Gaza mama. She know if you broke body, she a cocky ninja. And if you pass your place, she a tell her this straight. Do me a favor, suck your mama.
Me tell you, say the youth are one troublemaker. Anyhow, still a bad artist. Someone want to go on over him channel, go check it out. You see me? Check out him content and comment and tell him say yo, a Chaddy Morrison, no. And if you have any criticism for him, just put it in a comment section. You see me? Constructive criticism. No matter argument and this and that and A and B and C. You see me? Anyway, still, the final song we are going to talk about is from Coffee. And this one is called Toast. And people, who don't know who name Coffee? Alright, see Coffee here. Because she bad and we need to know the artist here.
Blessings all for my life and my thank God for the journey, the earnings are just for the plus. Yeah. And gratitude is a must. Yeah, me see blessings fall by my right hand. But I toast for the friends that take off every load. One time did sit down in a class and we bored then only said the road and me go on with the road. Third one, me say
people, uno can go over the girl page, uno can research her stuff them on YouTube. The girl she professional. The girl can sing. The girl can DJ, hardcore DJ me a telling about. She not gonna say nothing about skin out. She not gonna say nothing about dash out. But you see the lyrics where them girl are talk about in other song and in our other song them as well. It will thump you down. Me I tell you no, I mean I really preach violence and she no preach violence. But you see our lyrics them, nah no sense. So uno go on, go check out our stuff them. You see me? Coffee is the name. And people me a beg uno, don't sleep on the girl career. Uno nothing sleep on Coffee career. Because you see Coffee right now, Coffee I go be one of the next big international star. You hear me I tell you no. You hear me I warn you no. Uno don't sleep on the girl career. And plus, I must add, you see me, a couple weeks ago, probably a week or two ago, she was signed to Columbia Records UK. You see me, big bad Columbia Records UK. So you know, say big things are going for her right there. So we expect to hear bigger song, better song, growth and development, tours and all these things. Billboard, I mean, sky's the limit. You see me? Anyway, still, it's your boy DJ Chaddy. Don't forget to check me out on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's I am DJ CHADDY. And for another episode of In the Comment Section, well, me not have no particular comment again, but me I go big up the subscriber here, Dion Darway. You see me? Ever check in, ever comment, ever left positive comment and all these things. So me I take the time to just pick up yourself. You see me? Until next time, don't forget to like, comment and share. And if it's the first time watching, hit that subscribe button and turn on post notification. So anytime I upload videos like these, you're gonna be the first to know. And people, I'm out.
Say me try a thing, and you know it formed up to be a fire thing. Now up on stage with chronic, say I sing, yeah. See me all diggy soon, get the higher ring like hello brother. You say I had to shut ya, saw your poster, spectacular photo. Keep it burning, yes that's the motto. If me the butter pass through your shot to